Rich Morris here from The Singing Drummer at thesingingdrummer.com, and it's almost my birthday, so I got a little something for myself. It has nothing, well, it has a little bit to do with singing. It has nothing to do with drumming, and it has, but it does have a lot to do with this basement space. So let me show you. It's unboxing day. Yeah, I know. Another unboxing video and no singing video. I know. I'm getting there. But I saw this, and I write a little bit of music, and but some of the stuff that I've got is just not inspiring. So I saw this, and I dig the sound. I want the low chunky, chuggy, genty, is that a word? I want that low, beefy sound, and my little telly, which I'll show you sometime, just doesn't get that. So I ordered this for my birthday, and so now let's see what's in it. It's not as heavy as what I thought. Let's just start with that. But that's not necessarily a bad thing. I don't know. So, not a box in a box. I was expecting a box in a box. Oh, I lied. There's a box in there. There's another box in there. Can you tell who it came from? Can you tell who it came from? Oh, look. Yee. I got the Sweetwater goodies, the thank you Sweetwater goodies. Now comes this part. How do I do this? Let's see if I can do this. I got a low ceiling. Let's see if I can do this. I'll flip it over. Yeah! What did we get? What do we get, Richie? What do we get? We got a box. A box in a box. What do we get? Gretsch makes drums. Not a drum. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, we can put that in. Okay. Right. It took a little bit longer to get here because of the 4th of July holiday and all that good stuff. What do we got in here? How did they pack this thing? Notice the size of it. Can you see the size of this thing? It's longer than your standard guitar. What do we got here? More stuff. Oh, maybe I should do a video someday of how much my wife loves cardboard and packing material. Look, honey. Okay, here we go. All right. I think you can tell what it is. Ooh, that looks awfully pretty. So the only other guitar, electric guitar that I have, I bought off of Rondo Music. Rondo is a great site for cheapo guitars if you wanted to get something to kind of mod out, but I did not want to get something that I needed to mod out. I wanted to get something that was a real guitar, and I think I may have just bought one. So first opinion on it, looking around the neck joint. Oh my goodness, that's really tight. That's nice. And the oh yeah. I mean, I've got the lights down a little bit low for the video's sake, but I'm not seeing a one blemish on this. So this is the Gretsch, I believe, G5260 5260 Baritone guitar. I'm going to do the peel off the pickup. Not quite as satisfying as off of a computer screen or something like that. I am not going to play this for you guys today because I'm not really that much of a guitar player, but I will probably be doing a video with it sooner than later. Oh my goodness, get off there. Oh, I can hear how low this thing is. I don't want to play it right now because the plastic is up on the strings. Hey, if anybody's got a suggestion of how to get plastic off pickups, why don't you put it in the comments? There we go, finally. And if you wouldn't mind, if you're interested in stuff like this, why don't you subscribe to the channel and maybe hit the like button on the video and maybe hit the notification bell, ding, so that we can send you some more videos. Oh my goodness, this is really nice. I don't know if we can pick this up on this one, but I'm even looking at the, gosh, I just want to balance this thing so well. I'm even looking at the cutout for the pickup. It is smooth like glass, like a real, uh-oh, what is that? Looks like the paint's a little thin. Right in there. Right there. But you know what? It's gonna get some beat ups. I know it's going to take a little bit of abuse every once in a while. It's actually, I don't know what tune it is, but it is tuned to itself. It's a little, intonation's gonna have to get worked on. Action's a little high, but I've never played a baritone, so maybe this is how a baritone is supposed to be set up, with a little bit higher action than what I'm used to. But anyway, unboxing Gretsch Electromatic Jet G5260 6590. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks Alden at Sweetwater for getting this sent off to me. I really appreciate it. All right, thanks. You guys have a great week. It's my birthday. All right, thanks. Bye.